Hello art beaters, welcome to the video. We're gonna have a really good time today. We have lots to take a look at. Teresa in the last live video asked if we could show some teacup bead inspiration, so I've got some pretty inspiration from our design studio, and I'm gonna show you how to make a Czech glass or a teacup bead pendant. So teacup beads are these little, let me get a needle here so I can show you. They are what their name implies. They are teacup shaped. So they have kind of like a dome or a cup shape and then a stringing hole through the center. And they do come in tubes like this, so you'll get quite a bit to work with. And they are 4 millimeters in size. So you get quite a bit in there. 8 to 9 grams is the weight of these tubes. Super fun. So these are really great beads to work into bead weaving, stringing. They're really wonderful. They make excellent bead caps, as you can see from a lot of examples in our design studio. And they come in all kinds of different colors, so you can pick the perfect teacups for your color palettes. Love these. These have some gunmetal colored teacup beads along with some pink ones. I love this one where they're kind of stacked and layered together to showcase those round beads. They really do make excellent little bead caps. And then I found these samples just kind of floating around. These are great. I love that there are 3 stacked together here. That's a really cool look, kind of textured and layered. And then this strand has the teacups facing each other, so it kind of makes like its own bead shape there. So that's a really cool way to use them as well. Super fun. Here's another example where they're used as bead caps with round beads. Again, they're kind of stacked and layered. Here they were added in opposite directions, so that's kind of a fun look too. There's a lot of ways you can play with these. Super fun, and I love these colors with that little seahorse charm in the center. So pretty. Again, all of these pieces you will find in our design studio with free instructions and a supplies list, so you can recreate them. Not these though, these aren't even finished. I just kind of found these floating around. You never know what you'll find at Art Beads. I used some teacup beads here as bead caps for the melon drops. I just thought they added a fun texture on top of those melon drop beads. So nice little accents along with some gemstone beads in there. Nice little accents for that beautiful hand-painted focal I've got in the center. So really love those teacup beads in there. They add some Halloween color to this bracelet. We've got orange teacup beads with simple black rounds and a fun tiara cast bat charm, and those orange teacups really pop in there. Perfect little pop of orange color for that Halloween look. So cute. I also used them as bead caps on the dangles in this bracelet. So let's see if I can show you. Yeah, so there's teacup beads on top of the pearls, and the colors of the teacup beads match the little finial beads that I used for these head pins that I made perfectly. So lots of fun teacup bead colors in this fall themed bracelet. Super fun. I love the teacups, and the finials just add that extra fall color that this design needed. So that's a lot of fun. I really like how the teacups and finials work together in that design. Here again, I used them with the melon drop beads. Super cute. These ones are a really nice contrast to those clear melon drop beads. Those are super fun. So super cute. Thank you, Anne, for your compliment on my necklace. And then I found this as well, and this has the teacups layered with bellflower beads, which I thought was a really fun look too. So they do work really well with those little bellflower beads as well. And we do have a great little tutorial on our website for how to make a little circular hoop pendant with the teacup beads, and I will show you how to do that right now because it's a super easy thing to do. We've got a little PDF diagram for how to do it, and this design comes from Nicole Starman, who is the creator of the Checkmate's beads system. So she created this cute little pendant that's super easy to make. So all you're gonna need is a needle and some thread, and then you'll also need your teacup beads. Let me move this stuff out of the way so we can get to it. So you're gonna need some teacup beads in whatever color you like. I chose this pretty like pastel pink color, and some Toho demi-round seed beads in the 6/0 size. So that's the size I have here today. And these are kind of like a lustered gold color. I thought they would look really pretty with that pink. I must be in a pink mood today because I've got a lot of pink and mauve colors on today. I think it's one of my favorite colors, is that dusty pink color. A lot of my wardrobe is in that colorway. All right, so I've got my needle on my thread, and all you're gonna do, you're just gonna pick up a 6/0 bead, just one, and then a teacup bead. And the teacup bead is going to be facing away from that 6/0 bead. And I'm just going to repeat that 11 times. So I'll have a total of 12 teacup beads. So we've got 1, 2, and you're going to want to make sure that you're adding your teacup beads in the same direction each time. So you can kind of see that those teacups really nest up nicely with that 6/0 demi-round size. So that was 1 repeat, 2, 3. I love pink and mauve colors too, Gina. There's actually a lot of pink and mauve inspiration with these teacup pieces. And I'm not mad about it. I love those colors. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 7 more. 6. Move this bracelet out of the way. Okay, we're halfway there. 7. Oops, oh no, my thread came off of my needle. I hate when that happens. We just have to rethread it. Luckily this eye is not too small, so. Oh, thank you, Joyce. Yeah, this one I think I made this one during a live video. It's got bellflowers, just some Czech glass rounds, seed beads, some flowers in there. It's just memory wire, and then I added some tiara cast charms too. Really fun. All right, got my needle back on there. Back in business. Add another set of a Toho demi-round and a teacup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're on number 8 now. Number 9. Number 10. Oh no, I'm getting... There we go, number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Okay, so we have 12 of those, and then I'm going to leave a tail on my thread, and I'm just going to make a loop and go back through all of those. I'm just going to make this super cute little ring. See how cute that is? So I'm just going to go right back through. Right back through all of those beads. And I'm going to go through a couple times to just kind of reinforce that, that shape that we've got going. Super cute. So see how cute that is? Just a cute little hoop made out of teacups and demi-rounds. Super easy. So you can make those in any kind of colors that you want. These would be cute. I can even imagine like making this one and then like making another one and linking it through here before you loop it to kind of make a chain of these, and those would be really cute earrings. You can also totally just add them to a finished necklace. They'll slide right on, and then you've got a cute little focal for a finished necklace. So super easy, cute little teacup bead focal there. See how cute? So I need to go back through this ring to reinforce, and then I would knot my thread. So that's super cute. You could also use silk ribbon. That would be super cute as well. So just loop your silk ribbon through here and then tie it on. And this silk ribbon, super cute. These are still in the Design Studio D. I've got a link to them in the video description. So we've got instructions and a supplies list for these. And there is a nice little PDF that just shows you how to do that simple little loop with your beads. So this is in the Design Studio with instructions and a supplies list, but you can use any teacup color and any 6/0 demi-round color and you'll get a really sweet little ring. And I would imagine if you added more teacups and demi-rounds, you could make a bigger ring if you so desired. So super cute, super easy little teacup inspiration for you, along with all of these other pretty pieces that we have in our Design Studio. Of course, I have links to them all in the video description, so make sure to check those out. They're so cute. Yay! So great idea, Barbara, for some inspiration for teacups. Thank you so much for asking about those beads, because they are some of my favorites, and they do come in a lot of colors, and there's all kinds of ways you can use them. So great suggestion to take a look at those. So thanks, Barbara. Really good inspiration.